In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print or save your invoice as a PDF. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to get a clean copy of your invoice on paper or as a PDF file. I'll explain what each click does and share a few quick tips so your invoice looks exactly the way you expect when it comes out of the printer or lands in your Documents folder. Start by heading to the Invoices section. This is usually found in your billing or accounting area. Look for a tab or menu option labeled Invoices. Once you're there, you should see a list of your invoices, often with dates, amounts, and statuses. If there are a lot of entries, use the search or filters to find the one you need faster. Next, open your invoice. Click on the invoice you want to print so it loads in full view. Take a moment to confirm the details, like the date, total amount, and any line items, so you're printing the correct document. If you spot anything off, it's better to fix it now before you print. Now look for the More Actions menu inside the invoice view. This is commonly shown as a button labeled More Actions, or it might appear as 3 dots or a small drop-down arrow. Click it to reveal additional options specific to this invoice. From that menu, choose Print. This will open your computer's print dialog with a preview of the invoice. Give the preview a quick look to make sure everything fits on the page and the layout matches what you need. In the print dialog, select your printer, or choose the option to save as PDF. If you're printing to paper, pick the correct printer from the destination or printer list. If you want a digital copy, select Save as PDF. At this point, you can adjust common settings like page size, orientation, and color. For most invoices, letter or A4 works well. Portrait orientation keeps columns readable, and black and white is typically sufficient. If content looks cramped, try the Fit to Page or Scale to Fit option to prevent clipping. When you're satisfied with the settings, finish by clicking Print. If you selected a physical printer, your invoice should start printing right away. If you chose to save as a PDF, your device may prompt you to confirm a file name and location. Pick a clear name and a folder you'll remember. That's all there is to it. You clicked Invoices, opened your invoice, used More Actions, selected Print, chose your destination, and confirmed with Print. You now have a clean, professional copy of your invoice ready to share or file.